This is the Ethernet cable lab where we were tasked with making an Ethernet cable. And this is my cable right here that's plugged into the Fluke. It's plugged into the Fluke tester, and yeah, that's my cable. You can see it is a pass. You know, you wiggle it some, it's still a pass. Yeah, basically we had to use some of these. Here's our termination ends. Basically we have this cable, and we stick all of these in order in here. You go through there, and then they have to touch that bar up in there. And then we cut them. Kind of an example is like this. This one was an old one that was messed up by someone. And here's some of our scraps, so we went through kind of a lot. But yeah, this is my cable. It's a pass. It's a 560A cable, CAD 5 cabling, Cat 5. It is not a crossover, and I'm gonna take it out, but as you can see, it's a pass. You see, it goes in order of green striped, green, yellow striped, focus in, blue, blue stripe, yellow, brown stripe, and brown. And then it's the exact same on this end. Thank you for watching.